If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in on a daily basis. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Various types of insurance losses. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 with front-end collision damage. Most of the damage is on the right front. We'll take a look in a minute. Left fender looks good. Left headlight looks good. Need a front bumper cover. Grille. Probably need the reinforcement behind the bumper. Hood looks okay. Has some damage here. That's repairable. Headlight, there's no movement, but maybe some broken tabs behind there. Right fender is good. Looks like a pretty easy fix so far. Let's take a look under the hood. Okay. No movement on the engine. No broken motor mounts. Apron looks good. I don't see any breakage on the headlight, so it might be good. Hard to see if the radiated condenser is good. You probably have to take the bumper cover off. I'm gonna say it's good. I see that's the reservoir. Everything looks good. The car does run in lot drive. Do a quick walk around. Video's gonna be a little tight. Looks like it's clean from the doors back. Got a panoramic roof. We will be selling it with a salvage title. Interior is nice and clean. No curtain airbags are Yep, no curtain airbags deployed. They look good. None of the seat airbags look deployed. Nice interior, nice and clean. Alright, so you need the steering wheel airbag and the knee airbag. Nice little builder for someone. We'll take some detailed photos, post it on the website. Thanks for watching.